Okay, I don't know what to say about this one. It's an 05 Chevy Silverado 3500 with the Duramax diesel, one owner, with 18,000 original miles. Yes, 18,000 original miles. No, it's not on the engine. It is 18,000 original miles on the entire truck. It is running for you in this video. You can hear it. Literally brand new. Smells brand new, looks brand new, drives brand new. In amazing condition. When I say like new, it's like new. Tow package, sprayed in bed liner, the Line-X bed liner. Nothing's even been in the bed. Running boards, Weston running boards. It has a Velcro anti-theft system on it. Everything works. Well, it should with 18,000 miles on it. No accidents. Can't even find a rock chip on this thing. Power seat. Look at this thing. And when I say it smells like new, it literally smells like new. 18,403 miles. The back seats have not even been sat in. They've been folded up. So, a 2005 Duramax diesel 3500 two-wheel drive, one owner with 18,000 original miles. Yes, 18,000 original miles.